That baby's right there in my tummy. It's in my tummy.
No, where's her ears?
Her ears are right over here.
Mm.
So what are you going to do?
Sing something?
Okay, go for it.
Mm.
You want me to help you? You got to get your mouth down real close so she can hear, or he. We don't know yet. Ready? You
are my sunshine.
My only
sunshine. You make me happy. And skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Yay, big brother. Can you give her, or he, or she, a kiss? Can you give him,
He.
He? Okay, give him a kiss.
Mm.
Oh, you're a good brother.